Keep watching to learn how your insurance company may be trying to take advantage of you.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
You may not realize it, but insurance companies often take advantage of clients, sometimes by accident and sometimes not. So to help us learn about that, I've asked Geoff McDonald to join us today so we can learn about these types of cases. Geoff, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
You know, I've just started learning about this concept of, I think it's a COI case, a cost of insurance case. Can you help our viewers understand more about that?
Yes, absolutely. A COI case is a case in which a life insurance company sends you a letter which tells you that your premium has gone up. Sometimes it's as much as 1,000%. So, for example, if you bought a policy in 1979 and you've been faithfully paying your life insurance policy since that time, and your premium is $300, you get a letter saying that it's not $300 anymore, it's $3,000. And so what these insurance companies are intentionally doing is trying to force these policyholders, typically elderly folks, out of their policy by making them have a premium lapse. And the truth is, the reason that they're increasing their insurance is that they've been taking your premiums for the past 30 years and they've spent them. They've declared dividends. They've sent the money to the parent company. Quite often, it's in Holland or in England. Quite often, they're taking advantage of something called captives. These are secret captives. They keep them either offshore in the Bahamas or sometimes in state with states that have secret captive laws. And they take all your premiums and they put it all in there and they get reinsurance. And, for example, they'll get $500 million worth of reinsurance. But what they're not telling people is that the reinsurance is their own company. It's a subsidiary. And so they're not really reinsuring anything. They're just changing money on their books from a liability to an asset. And then they pay those assets typically in the form of dividends to their parent company. And it's happening all over the country. And so if you or anybody you know gets a letter telling them that their cost of insurance has gone up, they should give us a call.
Wow, that kind of sounds like a spy novel or something. Offshore entities and all this kind of thing. They jump through a lot of hoops to pull the wool over our eyes, huh? Yep,
they do. It's what they do. It has a veneer of legality to it, but when you really look at what they're doing and how they're creating their own captives and how they're creating their own reinsurance, what you see is that it's fraud. It's bad fraud. It's somewhere on the level, somewhere in between Enron and Madoff. It's that bad. So if you get one of those letters, you don't have to take it. You may have a recourse.
Wow, fantastic. So, Geoff, if somebody got one of these letters and they wanted to reach out to you to learn more, how would they do that?
All they need to do is pick up the phone, call 804-888-8888 or 540-222-2222 and ask for Geoff.
Excellent. Now, you're in Virginia, but this can be anybody around the country, right? They don't have to be in Virginia.
Yes, sir. We handle these cases all over the country.
And do you charge for that first consultation?
No, we take these cases 100% on a contingency basis.
Wow, so people aren't going to have to pay a bill or anything like that?
Not until we win their case.
Great. Well, I know who I'm calling if I get one of those letters.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks for being here.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.